Hello everyone! Today I am going to talk about ants. What's so important about ants? For starters, ants are the second most intelligent insects in the world. The first is bees, but there are like 20 quadrillion ants or more, so bees wouldn't stand a chance against ants. First I am going to talk about colonies. A colony of ants contains the queen and all the other ants who live in the colony. So, a colony can be as large as and can contain as much as 1 million ants or more. The largest colony in the world is 6,000 kilometers large, and it is believed to contain more than 306 million worker ants and more than 1 million queens. These special species of ants are known as Argentine ants. So, first let me talk about queens. So, the queen starts a colony. A colony has only one queen, but in some colonies there are more and more queens. If there is no queen, the colony dies, as she is the only egg-laying ant in the colony. Now I am going to talk about ant castes. What are ant castes? There are different types of ants in one species. Like, let me tell you an example for castes. Let's start with the queen. Because she is the only egg-laying ant in the colony, she has her own caste. Next, alates. They are the future queens and kings. Next, we have majors. They are very huge and they are mostly used for defending the colony. Next, the media. They are the normal soldiers that most ant colonies have. Most of them are used for foraging. Next, we have the miners. The miners are commonly known as work ants. Next, we have the media. They are very small and can only be found in two types of ant colonies. Now, I am going to tell you two types of ant colonies that contain all of these castes. The leafcutter ant colonies and the army ant colonies. Now, let me tell you about the leafcutter ant colonies. They are very special. As we all know, leafcutter ant stands for leaf. So, they don't just cut leaves and eat them. They harvest leaves, bring them back to their colony and make them into special fungi. And that fungi is what they eat. So they don't just eat raw leaves. They eat the fungi which is created by them. But if the original fungi dies without fertilization, then the whole colony dies. So, it's a very important job for miners and workers to take care of the fungi. That's why leafcutter ants are so special. Now, I am going to talk about Trapjaw ants. Trapjaw ants are the third strongest ants in the world. The first strongest is the leafcutter ant. The second, army ants, which I am going to be talking a little bit later. And the third, Trapjaw ants. As the name says, they have a very huge jaw and that snaps claws when it's threatened. And they have a very unique ability to jump back to retreat from any danger. Most Trapjaw ants close their jaws and quickly jump back. even though a normal worker or a soldier trapjaw ant bite can't do any harm for a human, a queen or an allied trapjaw ant bite can cause a little injury and can cause pain. Now I'm going to be talking about army ants. They are known as the world's most aggressive type of ants. They will destroy anything in their path, including wasps' nests and bees' nests. They are very rare, and even in the Amazon, their only enemy is the leafcutter ants. They can even kill snakes and anything that's bothering their path. Even though they are the most aggressive ants, they are not the strongest because of the leafcutters. But they are the dangerous because they are aggressive. The leafcutter ants, even they are strong, are not that much aggressive and will only fight when they are threatened. But the army ants will destroy anything in their path. If these ants are accidentally introduced to a country with weak ants, it will destroy the natural environment and create an unbalance in the environment. Now that's all about ants in our video today. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video for others. It will do me a whole lot of help. If you want to learn about ants more, contact me in my email. If you think ants are fascinating, give this video a like. In this video, I shared a small piece of information about ants, but there is a whole lot of things that you don't know about ants. At first glance, we all would think that ants are just uninteresting insects. But if you observe them a little closer, you will see that they are unique and different in every way. Thank you everyone, and if this video becomes viral, I'll make an ant series. Thank you.